Hey course, Mr. McGowan here. In this video, we're going to be going over the Week 6 middle school performing exercise. Make sure that you click on the middle school one, not the high school one. The high school one is going to be excused, so make sure you're only looking at this first link which says middle school. Alright, so once I click into it, it's going to give you a link to the Google Drive. And this is going to give you two options. It's going to give you the treble clef option, which is right here, and the bass clef option. I'd recommend everyone click on treble clef. Most of you guys sing in the treble clef pretty frequently, so that's what I would recommend. It will eventually bring you up to this. And the whole idea is that we are going to be sight singing, and you'll notice it says exercise 4, which is, if you go to it, the one that's labeled 4. The first thing I would make sure that you know how to do is know how to say the syllables. So do would be the first note, do would be the last note, and using where that first note is, we should be able to label each of the note with their solfege syllable. So do, re, mi, do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, mi, do. And I know that's a lot to memorize, so I'm going to go ahead and with this video post this graphic, which is literally exactly what I just said, and this is so to help you guys with it. Remember, I only write the first letter of each syllable. Alright, so to figure out how to sing it, we need to know kind of what that first note should sound like. That first note is a middle C. Okay, if you go to a piano app like this, you can find middle C right here. Okay, all of these are C's, but we want to try to find the one closest to the middle of the keyboard. You can also look up what does a C sound like, and you can find different apps and be able to hear what a C sounds like, but make sure you start on a C. So if this is a C, which is do, then re is here, mi is here, fa, and finally sol. And actually, I shouldn't say finally because it goes up to la, so we need to know the first 6 notes. Alright, so what I would recommend doing before you practice it and before you record it is get these pitches in your head. So it starts by singing do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. Or if you're going to do it in a higher octave, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. Alright, so with that in mind, we can go back to that and sort of start hearing the melody in our head. Do, re, mi, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, mi, do. Make sure that you're holding the whole notes for 4 beats. Make sure that you're holding these 2 half notes, as well as this one, for 2 beats. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Alright, so I've sung it a couple times for you. I can also play it for you on the keyboard. And you can use this video to help you practice. So give me 1 second. I'm going to pull up the notes so I can still see it. Try to get rid of this graphic. Alright, ready? Here's starting on do. 1, 2, ready, go. Alright guys, I hope this video helps you out. Let me know if you guys have any questions or need any help.